Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix ChatGPT network error easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first is just open your browser, and then once you're here, click these 3 points and then click history, and now click clear browsing data, select cookies and click clear data, and change this one to all time, and then click clear data, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just close your browser and try another browser like Mozilla Firefox or something like that, or Microsoft Edge, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.